Welcome back to Tiki Tuesday, and today I have for you something special. I'm bringing back on how to make a drink because last week you all liked my 10 facts about the Tiki Room. So to go along with that theme, if you couldn't tell from the ears, I'm going to show you how to make a Dole Whip at home. Now this Dole Whip, you can make it two ways. We're going to do alcoholic or non-alcoholic. So take your poison and let's get started. So this drink is gonna take not that many ingredients, and you'll be able to find it at your grocery store because for these ingredients, ain't nobody rushing to the shelves during this quarantine. So I'm gonna put the ingredients right over here, and here we go. Now for this drink, you are gonna need a blender. So I'm gonna put everything in here. 5 pieces of pineapple, a 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Now who didn't love licking this right out of the spoon when your mom used to eat it when you were a child? Is it just a Spanish thing? Let me know. 1/2 cup of cocoa milk. 1/2 cup of coconut rum. We're gonna put some ice and blend.
A few moments later.
Our blended goodness. Then you're gonna take your Tiki mug. I'm gonna use the one from the Mug High and pour it into your cup of choice. You see how creamy? It's the consistency of a smoothie, but the taste of a Dole Whip. And this mix makes about 2 to 3 servings, depending on your Tiki mug. Ooh. I don't have much during this quarantine, but I am gonna use this stir. And I don't have any straws during this quarantine, and I didn't think about getting them. So Now, if you want to make these for the kiddos, exclude the rum. And it does come a little more creamier without the rum. But, If you like this video, please comment. If you have any questions or if you try it at home, please comment below. Please like this video. I would greatly appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't for more content coming next week. And I hope you have a wonderful Tiki Tuesday.